What are the symptoms of bad shock absorbers? Excessive bouncing, a rough or uncomfortable ride, uneven tire wear, longer stopping distances, and fluid leakage from the shock absorber are all signs of faulty shock absorbers. Can bad shock absorbers affect the handling and stability of my vehicle? Yes. Worn-out shock absorbers can have a negative effect on a vehicle's handling and stability. They compromise overall control by causing increased body roll, decreased traction, and a less responsive steering feel. Do bad shock absorbers affect the braking performance of a car? Yes. Deteriorated shock absorbers can have a negative effect on braking ability. They increase stopping distances and reduce stability, which makes it more difficult for the tires to keep good contact with the road and can reduce braking effectiveness. Can driving with bad shock absorbers damage other suspension components? Yes, driving with damaged shock absorbers can put more strain on tires, struts, and control arms, which are all part of the suspension system. As a result, these parts may eventually experience premature wear and even damage, necessitating expensive repairs. How often should shock absorbers be replaced? The time between shock absorber replacements can vary depending on the quality of the shocks, the road conditions, and other variables. As a general rule, it is advised to have them checked out every 50,000 miles and replaced if there are any indications of wear or deterioration. Can bad shock absorbers cause a vehicle to feel unstable or sway while driving? Yes, having bad shock absorbers can make driving feel unstable or swayed. The vehicle may exhibit excessive body roll or sway during corners or uneven road surfaces when they are worn out because they are in charge of regulating the up and down movement of the suspension. Do bad shock absorbers affect the overall comfort of the ride? Yes, a less comfortable ride may be the result of worn-out shock absorbers. They are made to withstand and lessen the effects of road jolts and vibrations. The car may transmit more of those impacts to the cabin when they aren't working properly, making the ride rougher and less comfortable. Are there different types of shock absorbers available for vehicles? Yes, there are various kinds of shock absorbers, such as electronic, gas-filled, and hydraulic ones. Each type has a unique layout and set of traits that are tailored to the various vehicle types and performance needs. Can bad shock absorbers cause tire wear? Yes, uneven tire wear can be attributed to worn-out shock absorbers. Uneven tread wear and a shorter tire lifespan can result when the shocks are not effectively absorbing the impact of bumps and maintaining consistent tire contact with the road surface. What are the potential consequences of not replacing bad shock absorbers? Failure to replace worn shock absorbers may compromise braking performance, tire life, handling, and stability of the vehicle. It may also increase wear on other suspension parts. To maintain safety and ideal performance, worn-out shocks must be addressed.